Hi, welcome to Hardware's Info. In this video I can show you how to optimize graphics in Borderlands 4 game. At the very beginning you should open Options, and here on this top tab click Visuals. Here you have Basic and Advanced. In Basic we don't have any graphic settings, but we can open Advanced, and here we have General, and this is the main setting we need. So this is just graphic preset. So low, medium, high, very high, or badass. So as you can see, this game will automatically detect graphic preset, and it will, if you will click on this button, and it will select best settings for your PC. Okay, so you can click Run Auto Detect, and it will automatically detect best settings for you. As you can see, in my case, it sometimes switched me to the medium settings, but sometimes to low. And it's really strange for me, because this auto detect graphic preset runs every time I just entering the game, opening this game. So sometimes I play with medium settings and sometimes with the low settings. And unfortunately there is no way to disable this feature on auto start, but okay. So yeah, in my case unfortunately there is no way to play in really very high settings, but here is the main thing you can change. But of course sometimes we can change some different settings just to make quality better, but only in places that we really need. For example, what about environment? Yeah, geometry quality, I think very important. So for me, for example, it's very important. So I want to use high geometry quality, but if we're talking about texture streaming speed, I can use medium. Yeah, I can use medium settings. So here we have foliage density, and I don't need high foliage density. I will have too many greens, and I don't like it too much. So okay, volumetric fog, so I can use it on low. It's not important for me. Volumetric cloud, okay. Shadow quality, for me shadow is really important, so I can use it on the high. And in this way you can modify settings for you. Okay, so in this way you will have good quality, good picture for you. That's it. Hope this video was helpful for you. Bye. See you.